Here's a Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus. I'm going to show you how to set it up step by step. This will also work for the Galaxy S22 as well. Okay, so first thing is go ahead and turn it on. Power button here. Press and hold the power button until the phone turns on. Once you're at the welcome screen, you want to go ahead and choose your language down here. I'm good with English. I'm going to tap on Start right there. Now, after this setup video, after this video is done, I'm going to make another video how to insert your SIM card after the setup is done, and that link will be in the description, okay? Anyway, from here, for your review, you can go ahead and read through the details here. You have to have at least the first two checked to go ahead and proceed, okay? Down here is optional. I agree to send diagnostic data. So that's optional. That's up to you if you want to go ahead and do that. I'm fine with all of them here. I'm going to tap on agree. Permission for Samsung apps and services. You can go ahead and look through these and toggle whichever one you don't want. I'm fine with all of these toggled on, so I'm going to go ahead and tap on agree down here. We're going to go ahead and hook this up to our Wi-Fi network now so we can get the latest update. From here, go ahead and put your Wi-Fi password in. After you put the password in, tap on connect. Checking for updates now. This may take a few minutes. Copy apps and data. You can choose to transfer your apps, photos, contacts, Google account, and more. If you want to go ahead and transfer from a different iPad or a Android or an iPhone or a tablet, transfer the information, you can tap on next, or you can click on don't copy, okay? For me, I'm going to click on don't copy. I want a fresh, clean install. But if you do have another device you want to transfer all of your apps and photos and contacts, Google account and whatnot, just tap on next here and start reading through this, okay? Let me go back here. Again, for myself, I want a clean slate. I'm going to click on don't copy for myself. Google sign in, basically your Gmail. You can go ahead and sign in now. You can create an account, or you can skip this and sign in later if you wish. I'm just going to do mine later. I don't remember my password right now, so I'm just going to go ahead and skip this for now. Google services, use location, allow scanning, send usage, and diagnostic data. These are all optional, okay? You can pick whatever, toggle whatever you want on and just proceed. I'm fine with all of them checked, and I'm going to tap on accept down here for myself. Protect your phone. You should go ahead and use a password. I wouldn't advise to skip this. Just go ahead and do a password now. We can do face recognition, fingerprints, pattern, PIN, password. I'm just going to do a PIN. So I'm going to tap on PIN right there. And with the PIN, it's a just 4 digits here. So let me choose my 4 digits. After I put in my PIN, I'm going to tap on continue and I have to put it in one more time to confirm. All right, so I'm going to confirm, click on OK right there. All right. Now, if I want to add like a fingerprint or a Face ID later on, I can do that later as well, okay? Getting your phone ready. This may take another few minutes. Samsung account, you can go ahead and sign into your account, or you can go ahead and create an account. Or you can go and skip it and sign in later, or you can skip it. You don't have to sign in later on if you don't wish as well, okay? So I'm just going to go ahead and skip this for myself. You are all set up. Let me tap on finish right here. And you could tap on explore the Galaxy down there. Anyway, there we go. We're up and running. On the next video, I'm going to show you how to install the SIM card in this phone, okay? The link will be in the description. Good luck, guys.